2 years into my Patreon, I almost scrapped the whole thing, but one realization completely changed how I thought about it, and I wish someone had told me on day one. So I'm going to be the change I wish to see, and I'm going to fill you in. Here are my top tips for using Patreon. Tip number 1, think in buckets.
Not all your fans come to you for the same thing.
First, you've got your casual fans. They subscribe for free to stay in the loop, see previews, low commitment, low pressure. What you share for free matters here. Think newsletters, behind the scenes glimpses, previews to whet their appetite. Your casual fans may want a deeper connection, but not be ready to spend yet. The goal is to give them, and potential new fans, a taste of your world, so that they know what they're in for. The new discovery feed is worth mentioning here. It's how people who don't follow you yet can stumble upon your page. So your free posts are doing a double duty as sort of a front door. Posting quality, free work is a great way to get fans from your first bucket into your second. In that second bucket are the people who see specific value in what you're offering. For me, that's my snail mail lovers and my fellow collagers. These fans are subscribed for a very specific benefit, whether that's opening their mailbox to a curated little package from me each month with a letter, a creative prompt, and a little surprise, or a steady stream of unique scans each week that they can use for their own art. The bottom line is that they want something concrete in exchange for their subscription, something that they can only get from me on Patreon. And in your third, probably small but mighty bucket, are the people who want to go deeper into connection, not just with your work, but with you and with each other. On my Patreon, that looks like a monthly call where we chit chat and work on our creative projects side by side, sharing our wins, our losses, and oftentimes pictures of our works in progress in between calls. Tip number 2, find the best way to reach each group. Just like your fans aren't all the same, the ways in which you reach them shouldn't be the same either. Luckily, Patreon's got you covered with lots of different tools to help you engage every group. Quips are a great way to reach potential new audiences, people who might not even know that you exist yet. With a quip, you can fire off a quick, casual post, a mini update, a thought, or a work in progress with everyone on Patreon without the pressure of a full post. For free fans, newsletters are low lift, high impact. They keep people curious about what's next in your world. For paid fans, you've got live drops, where you can release exclusive work as a limited time event with a countdown, early access, even a live chat. You can create real excitement and real urgency. And my personal favorite, community chats. They let fans connect with each other, adding value to your page even when you're not actively posting. Tip number 3, think about how you want to earn. Another thing I wish someone had told me earlier on in this process is that there are actually multiple ways to earn on Patreon, and you don't have to choose just one. The main one is membership. Fans pay monthly or annually for access to your exclusive work. A quick note on pricing here. Don't sell yourself short. Patreon has actually found that the $5 to $8 range has the highest retention rate across the board. Your fans want to pay you for the value that you bring, but membership isn't right for every fan, and that's where one-time payments come in. You can sell individual posts, digital goods, file drops a la carte, so that your fans can kind of pick and choose what they want. Fans can even gift memberships to friends, which is a great way to grow organically by word of mouth. That might feel like a lot of information to start, but the truth is I've pivoted constantly to get my Patreon to where it is now. I didn't have it figured out when I started, not even close, and I'm sure I'll continue pivoting. You just have to jump in and adjust as you go. So many creative projects never get off the ground because people are waiting for a perfect plan. There is no perfect plan, so just start.